student, here I will give very important equilibrium, chemical equilibrium exercise. This is mainly for 11th, 12th as well as different competitive exam. Okay, well prepared, you will get success, my child. The equilibrium constant for the reaction H2 plus I2, hydrogen gas and iodine gas combined together in equilibrium, they will give you twice of Hi, and equilibrium constant I will say Kc. Okay, equilibrium constant Kc is equal to 64. If the volume of the container is reduced to half of the original volume, the value of equilibrium constant will be 16, 32, 64, 128. So answer will be 64. Why I have said this? Because delta Nd will be equal to 0, means number of moles of gaseous reactant equals to number of moles of gaseous product. So the equilibrium constant will not affected by change in volume, right? But it will definitely temperature based. Clear to you? A fixed temperature, fixed value of equilibrium constant. Now for the reaction, H2 plus I2 gives you twice of Hi, and reverse reaction I have written second, twice of Hi give H2 plus I2. Equilibrium constant Hi power is square divided by molar concentration of hydrogen and iodine, product of this hydrogen and iodine. Okay, and for this Kc1 H2 concentration, I2 concentration, product of this upon Hi square, concentration of Hi square. So Kc, what is the relationship between Kc and Kc1? This is Kc, this is Kc1. So different options are given. I selected K dash C is equal to 1 upon Kc. Okay, that new one is the inverse of the first one, Kc. So H2 plus I2 gives you this. Again I have written reverse reaction, K dash C will be equal to 1 upon Kc. Why I have done this? See here, H2 plus I2 gives you twice of Hi, Kc will be, I told you this equation and I have given the value, suppose it is X. So K dash C equilibrium constant for this reverse reaction will be K dash C, and again I have written H2 concentration by multiplied by I2 concentration divided by Hi square. Okay, hydrogen ion concentration Hi, here Hi hydrogen iodide concentration square of it. So it will be it will be inverse of X. Okay, so it will be 1 upon Kc. So K dash C is equal to 1 upon Kc. And although this tips you remember that when a reaction is reversed, so the new Kc always inverse of the first Kc. Okay, this is given reaction. If we are reversing the reaction, so the new Kc will be the inverse of first Kc. Okay, so K dash C1 is equal